Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to try to get some progress on the Subaru, get some lines made, get some things put on, and see where we end up. So here's our Koyo oil cooler. It's something that a lot of people have asked many questions about, so I wanted to give you guys a little in-depth view of it out of the car. So here's what it looks like. As you can see, it has 3 mounting points here, and this is something that Paul Lung made at Yimi Sport. Basically, this is allowing the air to come in and then channel through and go through the oil cooler and out the hood. This actually connects to our headlight cover, so we get fresh air going into there, which means it's not going through an intercooler, a radiator, or anything else. It's fresh, coldest air possible, you know, depending on how hot it is outside, through here, out of here. And what this does is, you can see here, this just mounts just like so, right there, and that allows you to be in the car, ingest air, exit air. Pretty simple, very effective, and very compact in allowing the air to get through here without having to go through anything else beforehand. Down, a lot more. So again, we're redoing some more lines. We have our Vibrant Performance fittings going on our Vibrant Performance line. This is actually going to be the line that goes from the pump that's going to feed the filter, which then feeds the oil cooler, which then feeds the engine. So a pretty important line. One thing to note is, don't be afraid of AN lines. I know for a long time I really didn't want to go to AN lines on certain things because I was expecting to need super special tools, or it was going to be something that was a really hard job to tackle or something of that nature. And it's just not that. It's really simple and a really good way to make sure you get a really good connection that will last the test of time. So as I go through and make this one, you can kind of see how easy it actually is. Obviously it's kind of nice to have a vise, which, you know, you could say special tool. At the moment I don't even actually have the really nice aluminum clamps to hold the fitting in place. I'm actually just using some of the rubber ones just because I can't find the others, but you see how easy it is, and it just slides right in place. Go on. I'm not even using an AN wrench because, well, this is a dash 12 and the amount of force it takes to actually get these two go on is quite extensive, so I'm using a big fucking wrench, which is actually 1.25 inches. And I try to do my best to keep the fitting in good condition as I tighten this, even though I did nick it once. Sorry. But overall, that's it. That's all there is to it. And it's done. Time to go put it on the car. guys, we're really close. The motor is almost all back together, and we're almost ready for fire up. We have to see some little bits of that Yimi Sport Paul Lung magic, and then we'll be ready to go. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and be ready for what's coming next.